Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Khalid, and in this informative tutorial I want to share knowledge on unemployment and its types. Before moving ahead with the topic, I want to tell you something about myself, a brief introduction about myself. I am certified trainer and teacher in the areas of business management, economics and teacher training. I have been certified by Pearson, Microsoft, IBTP to teach business management, economics, and I specialize in these three areas. Now in today's topic about teacher training and in the areas of unemployment, I want to talk about some details on why these two topics are very important. Now first, I will tell you the meaning of unemployment, then I will go to teacher training. First, unemployment refers to, or the meaning of unemployment is when workers are looking for a job and not able to find the right job for themselves. Unemployment means when workers are looking for a job and they are not able to find the job. That is what unemployment means. Unemployment basically are of three types. First is frictional unemployment, number one. Number two is structural unemployment. And number three is cyclical unemployment. Now, these three types of unemployment are there as of now. Friends, especially after COVID-19, after the pandemic, these three types of unemployment have risen over a period of time. The reason this unemployment occurred, first, that there was a skill gap between the industry and the candidate. The industry was looking for a high-skilled employee. Industry was looking for well-educated, well-formed mind, and industry was looking or is looking for people who have got critical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, and decision-making skills. Now, what happens when the students are coming out from the college, they don't have that particular knowledge, skill, and attitude, because the teachers are not trained for that and they don't share what is required in the corporate world, like these skills, critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, decision making skills. When there is a pressure on you, how to handle stress, how to handle pressure, all these things become a skill gap between the industry and the students. Now, when these three types of unemployment occur, the result is people get frustrated and go into negative directions or go for underemployment. Now, this is a basic introduction about meaning of unemployment and types of unemployment. Friends, if you need more explanation on this topic or topics connected to business management, economics, teacher training, then please do contact me on teachingandcoaching2020@gmail.com. I'm really thankful to you for watching this tutorial. Thank you so much.